really a fantastic day, not only in Bombay but across the country. In almost like Delhi, Calcutta, Surat, Ahmedabad, Pune, Bombay, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kerala, Chennai. So all the places have started very nicely, and I'm sure I think the night will end in a very beautiful way. We have got our famous DJs here from Bombay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Social media head. Yeah. So I'm sure.
Say about this big event.
Big event, yeah. It's meant for basically for the members and their families. Like we always believe that a family who dances together stays together. So you'll find all different kind of people, right from children to members' wife, nana, nani. So it's a huge concept and only meant for members actually.
Happy New Year to all of you first of all, and actually it's very beautiful moment right now क्योंकि इस टाइम ये एक ऐसी जगह पे हम लोग खड़े हैं जो सिर्फ एक प्लेस के लिए नहीं है बिल्कुल पैन इंडिया के लिए है, एंड दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट न्यू ईयर बैश जिसमें फैमिलीज एक साथ डांस करती हैं, एक साथ म्यूजिक पे खाना पीना सब कुछ होता है, एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट बिकॉज इट इज़ फॉर द फैमिली एंड इट इज़ फॉर द कंट्री क्लब फैमिली।
सर आज से रात को 12 बजे के बाद 2026 शुरू हो जाएगा, आपके लाइफ में क्या कुछ बदलाव होगा और आप क्या कुछ बदलने की कोशिश करेंगे?
Well, every year we change. Every year is a year of learning actually. मैं बहुत कुछ सीखता हूँ. मैं actually हैदराबाद का हूँ ना, तो a little bit small place. But Bombay आने के बाद मेरा philosophy has changed. People here are very serious and they respect entrepreneurs. And you have Bombay. I remember one famous saying by none other than actor Rajesh Khanna. Once we met, he said, "Mr. Reddy, give your best to Bombay. Bombay will give you only one chance. But if you are successful, you will be a bottomless pit." So I am remembering him today. And well, when I bought this property 20 years back, there was no road. वो रोड बंद था. हम चलते हुए आए हैं. ये माइन था, ये गड़ा 100 फीट. सो जब खरीदे हमें सामने बिल्डिंग है, ऊपर ऑफिस लेके टेलीस्कोप से लोगों को बताते थे ये क्लब आ रहा मॉडल बना के. So I have seen those days also. So it has been a very challenging year, and I think I should thank the media from Bombay and also the members from Bombay because they have made me successful in the most difficult place in the world actually. To enter Bombay is not a joke, especially from the south. And I think one of the few entrepreneurs who made it in a very big way. And I will only salute the people of Bombay and the media people, friends here right now.
सर जिस तरह मुंबई में कंट्री क्लब के दोनों ब्रांचों में इवेंट मनाया जा रहा है, इसके अलावा किन शहरों में इवेंट हो रहे हैं कंट्री क्लब में?
About 12 places we are doing it, 12 places में. Delhi चल रहा, Calcutta चल रहा, then Chennai, कलकत्ता, केरला, हैदराबाद में बहुत बड़ा शो है. एंड पूरा हैदराबाद में मेरा मिस कर रहा है एक्चुअली. मैं बोला नहीं, बॉम्बे मेरा जाना है.
ये आने वाले साल 2026 में कंट्री क्लब के शो और क्या योजना है जो आ रही है?
This year 2025 में the country club's main historic milestone was becoming a zero debt company. We had about 600 crores of debt which we closed successfully. And another milestone is we have also turned into a profit-making company, and apart from that, especially zero debt company, only 3% of people around the world have achieved this status, especially during the post-COVID era. So one of them is the country club. So you can understand the amount of faith, the amount of confidence. We have about 5,000 employees working for the country club, and not a single employee was retrenched. We have maintained everybody, and I'm sure. This year is going to be a major takeoff for country club. Already we started the franchise route, and extremely we are successful, especially in the north and the northeast. So I think going forward, that is the way forward. This year we'll be concentrating more on franchising and new clubs in north and the northeast.
सर 2025 का कौन सा ऐसा पल रहेगा जो 2026 में आपको उठाते हैं?
कौन सा ऐसा पल रहेगा जो
Which moment will you?
which moment will you do to
The moment was, like today is a moment actually speaking. Yeah, it's a very happy
It
day.
is a big moment, guys.
Yeah.
It's a New Year bash party.
And-
Asia's biggest New Year bash party.
2025 द बाय बाय न्यू ईयर की तैयारी है सो
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Rajiv Reddy sir to give us this opportunity. It's a very big platform for us, and he believed in us, and we love him, we respect him. Country Club is family. Country Club is an emotion, and it has given us a lot of things. Guys, please join Country Club, and we will rock tonight.
यस
रेड्डी सर, कंपटीशन के दौर में ऐसा क्या है जो लगातार 35 साल से कंट्री क्लब अपनी शान बरकरार रखे हुए हैं?
हम शुरू करे वक्त खाली एक क्लब था, वो भी दैट वाज द पैलेस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ हैदराबाद, विलायत मंजिल बोल के, मेन फॉर प्रिजर्वेशन. जब फर्स्ट ईयर वाज ओनली 400 मेंबर्स, अभी वी आर हैविंग अबाउट 4.5 लाख मेंबर्स, एंड अनदर 4 to 5 years we will take it to 1 million members. So we are working on that because it is the biggest family chain of clubs already in the world, and उसको आगे बढ़ा रहे, next 3-4 years में डबल कर देते हैं. Because the response has been phenomenal. Brand Country Club has become a huge brand, not only in India but also globally. So there is going to be a global expansion, and I am sure, I think that will work out very well because people relate to, especially Indians or Asians, they relate to Country Club in a big manner. There is no other brand which can give clubbing, health and fitness, events like today, and holidays. There might be some holiday companies like Mahindra and all that, but all these 4 verticals what I have mentioned to you, nobody has got. So members who join the brand Country Club, I'm sure, I think they're really having a great time, and we are the biggest holiday givers actually in the world. We were talking about families. Yes, we are the biggest guys. We have contributed a lot to tourism, and basically I believe in promoting tourism because we have reached that stage where we also parallelly see what the country wants. Tourism is a major source of income for many countries, and India should look up within the country also. Domestic tourism, especially by Himachal Pradesh, I had gone to Gangtok, other places where we have got franchise agreements. It's amazing. Domestic tourism has picked up like anything, apart from global tourism. So the beauty lies in the Himalayas and Gangtok, and these places. So we are going to expand in the north and the northeast very much this year.
ये भारत के अलावा क्या फॉरेन में भी आगे ऐसा कुछ प्लान है कि वहाँ भी कंट्री क्लब आए?
हाँ, plan करें ना. In fact, we are having a resort in Sri Lanka. We are having tie-ups in Thailand, and Malaysia, and Singapore. And definitely, I'm sure this year we are going to. A lot of people have shown interest, and they are going to definitely grow in a very big way in the franchise way. Apart from buying our own properties even in foreign countries like Dubai and all that.
कितना करेंगे?
क्या कुछ नए साल की कुछ गेस्ट लिस्ट है, कुछ बकेट लिस्ट है जो करना चाहते हैं, तो सब रहेगा आपको?
ये साल अच्छा रहे, बस ये साल सबके लिए अच्छा रहे.
शुभकामनाएं के लिए कुछ अच्छे
हाँ, सबके लिए अच्छा हो. इस साल मेरे लिए सबके लिए अच्छा हो, बस यही.
वैसे भी पिछला साल बहुत बुरा ही गया सबका, मेरे ख्याल से सबके लिए बुरा ही गया है. कुछ अच्छा देखने को मिला भी नहीं है किसी को. ये साल सबके लिए अच्छा होना चाहिए. कुछ
होगा, अच्छा होगा, अच्छा रहेगा.
अच्छा जाए और सब तरक्की करे और अच्छे मुकाम पे हर चीज़ को लेकर चले.
भाई जैसे 2025 बीता, जैसे भी 2026 आए, एक अच्छी शुरुआत लेके सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं एडवांस में.
सर आज यहाँ पे आए हैं, उसके बारे में बताइए.
यहाँ बुलाने के लिए सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, है ना. हम आए हैं एक विशेष मौके पे, यहाँ पे एक आयोजन में 2026 सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, है ना. और हम अपने आप को बहुत ही खुशनुमा मान रहे हैं यहाँ पे आने के लिए. ठीक है, आप सभी को नए वर्ष की बहुत बहुत बधाई एडवांस में. धन्यवाद.